Are you looking for the perfect TV stand that blends style, storage, and warmth? Whether you're setting up your entertainment space or upgrading your living room, today I'm reviewing the top 5 Fireplace TV stands that'll transform your home into a cozy haven. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. OKD Fireplace TV stand for 80-inch TV antique white finish with a farmhouse design, built-in 42-inch electric fireplace, LED lights, ample storage with drawers and cabinets, fits TVs up to 80 inches. The OKD Fireplace TV stand stands out for its charming antique white finish and rustic farmhouse style. The 42-inch fireplace is a centerpiece, providing not only warmth but also an ambient glow with customizable LED lights. Its spacious design accommodates TVs up to 80 inches and offers plenty of storage for consoles, media, and decor. Pros: large 42-inch fireplace, farmhouse aesthetic with antique charm, ample storage options, LED lights add ambiance. Number 2, JXQTLINGMU Farmhouse Fireplace TV Stand, 32 inches tall, black. Key features: 32 inches tall, sliding barn doors, built-in drawer, sleek black finish, accommodates TVs up to 80 inches. This JXQTLINGMU TV stand is perfect for those who prefer a taller design. The sliding barn doors are both stylish and functional, offering easy access to storage compartments. The fireplace provides ample warmth and a cozy ambiance, making it an ideal choice for farmhouse or modern living rooms. Pros: tall and sleek design, sliding barn doors for easy access, spacious enough for large TVs. Number 3, JXQTLINGMU Fireplace TV Stand, light brown. Key features: farmhouse design, 36-inch electric fireplace, sliding barn doors, storage drawers, fits TVs up to 80 inches, light brown finish. This model from JXQTLINGMU offers a warm light brown finish with a functional and aesthetic design. The 36-inch fireplace is perfect for mid-sized rooms, and the sliding barn doors add a classic farmhouse charm. With ample storage, it's an excellent choice for families needing extra organization space. Pros: beautiful light brown finish, functional sliding barn doors, spacious and sturdy. Number 4, JUMMICO TV stand for 65-inch TV bright white finish, sliding barn doors, storage cabinets, mid-century modern style, fits TVs up to 65 inches. The JUMMICO TV stand combines a mid-century modern design with farmhouse functionality. The bright white finish gives it a fresh look, while the sliding barn doors provide quick access to storage compartments. It's slightly smaller than others on this list, fitting TVs up to 65 inches, making it great for cozy spaces. Pros: bright and fresh design, sliding barn doors, compact yet functional for smaller spaces. Number 5, Furinno JAYA Large Entertainment Stand, Blackwood finish, simple design, accommodates TVs up to 55 inches, multiple open shelves for storage. The Furinno JAYA is the most budget-friendly option on this list. It features a sleek Blackwood finish and a minimalist design. While it lacks an electric fireplace, it's perfect for those looking for a functional and affordable TV stand with open storage shelves for gaming consoles and decor. Pros: affordable, simple and minimalistic design, easy to assemble. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for farmhouse charm, sleek modern designs, or budget-friendly options, these Fireplace TV stands and entertainment centers have something for everyone. If I had to pick a favorite, I'd go with the OKD Fireplace TV stand for its large fireplace, farmhouse charm, and versatile storage. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you in the next video.